Hello everyone, Mr. Terra here with your e-learning lesson for April the 22nd. Uh, just to show you real quick which assignment I would like you to do, you're going to log into my ICEV uh, again like we have the last few class periods. Once you have logged on, you're going to select My Courses, you're going to go to Food Science. You're going to scroll down once you're on Lessons. You're going to scroll down to the lesson that we were on Monday, Principles of HACCP, Identifying Hazards in Food Processing. Okay, so it's the same one that we were on Monday. You're going to click View Lesson. Okay, once you have clicked on the lesson, you're going to go over here to Interactive Activities. Okay, on Monday, you should have done these two worksheets. Today, you're going to do the vocabulary assignment. So you're going to click Principles of HACCP, identifying hazards in food processing, the vocabulary assignment. And once you pull the assignment up, it should look like this. Real simple. This is your definition. This is your word. You have four definitions here, and you have four vocabulary terms here. You're just going to match them up. There are 3 pages of these, so you should have a grand total of 12 vocabulary words. Okay? So you have the videos there to go back and reference if you need them. Uh, Otherwise, you just need to make sure you complete this assignment, Principles of HACCP, Identifying Hazards in Food Processing Vocabulary. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I will clarify those. But that's your assignment for today, and I will talk to you again on Friday. Thanks and have a great day.